Hi guys, I'm Prola. We are back with another vlogging. So I just did a little cappuccino kid style a while ago, and I just finished 2 dances. I think all of you guys must know. You don't know. You know the songs. Me, Myself, and I by G.A.Z. and Dear Future Husband by Megan Trainor, which I sing both of. I didn't sing. I danced to them. So if you want to go see how I kind of like dance to that, go check out Chachi Gonzalez's channel or John Leva, which is his her boyfriend's channel. So I just my mom and my sister just went to work. My dad went to go fix our car as well, and me and my brother are just stuck alone in the house. Don't worry, I am old enough to take care of my own brother. He's just watching the Gaming Beaver, lots of stuff, dinosaurs. And another thing, keep in mind that next Friday we are gonna do a new food thing, or else I can, before that day, since Thursday's my last day of school, you can go check out Ryan Stimpson's channel. I don't remember what it's called, but he could tell you. And keep in touch that you can go check out his channel to see what he does. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.